Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Poem number 8, Vocation. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, a child speaks about his wishes and attractions. It shows about his innocent mind. The poem is about how a child gets attracted to the ways of people around him. He is not aware of the tough routine they have to go through. So let's begin the poem. Vocation by Rabindranath Tagore. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." When the gong sounds 10 in the first part of the day, that is in the morning, he goes to his school and sees the vendor crying, "Bangles, precious stone bangles." बच्चा प्रातः 10 बजे स्कूल के लिए निकल पड़ता है। हर दिन वह एक चूड़ी बेचने वाले को देखता है। There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." While looking at him, the child had a thought that the vendor was free. He was in no hurry to reach anywhere, unlike the child who had to reach his school on time and come back home. He felt as if he was under strict observation and the vendor was enjoying complete freedom. Thus, he was so impressed by his freedom that he wished to be a hawker. He wished to move freely and shout just like him in the streets. जब वह बच्चा वो चूड़ी वाले को देखता है, वो सोचता है कि वह विक्रेता कितना आज़ाद है, उसे कोई जल्दी नहीं है कहीं पहुंचने के लिए और मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है, टाइम पे आना पड़ता है। ऐसे लगता है कि वह बच्चा स्ट्रिक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन में है और वह चूड़ी वाले को एकदम आज़ादी है। इसलिए वह उसे देखकर प्रभावित हो जाता है कि काश मैं भी एक विक्रेता होता, कहीं भी घूम सकता। When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. The child, after coming back from school at 4 in the afternoon, he noticed the gardener through the gate of the house. He would peep out and notice him digging soil. दोपहर बाद जब बच्चा स्कूल से घर लौटता है, वह एक कोठी में किसी माली को मिट्टी डिग करते हुए देखता है। He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. The gardener is his own master. He soils his clothes and gets wet in the rain, but nobody scolds or punishes him. The child wishes he too were a gardener, free to do what he liked. माली अपनी मर्जी का मालिक स्वयं होता है। वह अपने वस्त्र भी गंदे कर लेता है और वर्षा में गीले कर लेता है, पर कोई भी व्यक्ति उसे न डांटता है न दंड देता है। बच्चे की तमन्ना होती है कि काश वह भी माली बन जाए और अपनी इच्छा अनुसार काम स्वतंत्र रूप से किया करे। Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. At night, his mother would send him to sleep in his room where there used to be an open window. From there, he would notice a watchman walking here and there from one side to the other in the dark, lonely street. He also had a lamp in his hand which looked to him like a superhuman with a red eye in its head. जैसे ही शाम को अंधेरा होने लगता है, माँ उसे बिस्तर पर जाने को कहती है। वह खुली खिड़की से चौकीदार को गली में पहरेदार देते देखता है। गली अंधेरी और सुनसान है और सड़क का लैंप किसी राक्षस की भांति दिखता है, जिसके सिर पर एक ही लाल आँख है। The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. He would move his lamp from one side to another. His shadow was also visible on his side while he walked. The child thought that the watchman would never have slept at night all his life. The child was so attracted to his moves that he wished to be a watchman who could walk all night in the streets, running after his shadows with a lantern in hand. पहरेदार अपनी लालटेन झुलाता रहता है। उसका साया एक और उसके साथ साथ रहता है। वह कभी भी सोता नहीं। वह सोचता है कि काश वह भी चौकीदार होता, सड़कों पर सारी रात घूमता, अपने साये का लालटेन की रोशनी में पीछा करता रहता।